This is the old Lennox heat pump I filmed a couple months ago. Running under a high heat load. Like I said earlier, it is in the low to mid 90s with a very high humidity right now. That's all that's left of the Lennox logo. Ox. Which is quite fitting because, in my opinion, these units are about as strong as an ox. And this is, again, it is from December of 1986. And then this is a 93 Trane XE1000 straight full air conditioner. Exactly where the fan is in this unit. So yeah, this is a 1986 Lennox split system heat pump. Factory charge, 19 pounds, 8 ounces of R22. And I can tell just by the sound that the compressor is right near this part of the cabinet. And this has a Climatuf compressor. And that noise you just heard was a Trailblazer 4.2 liter inline 6 with a dual exhaust. That rumbling noise. Alright. So yeah, a 1986 Lennox and a 1993 Trane. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.